how's it going? Welcome to another vlog. As you can tell by the title, I got a new motovlogging setup. Wanted to just basically document that for anybody who is curious. As you guys know, and I'll post a picture right now, I've been using the GoPro Hero 8 with a Hero 8 Media Mod, as well as a purple Panda microphone, and it's been working great. No complaints as far as quality, but as you can see on the picture, it has not definitely been a good looking setup. Too many wires, too many I guess I say spare wire, so I had to bunch it up and kind of just have it there. So I received my GoPro Hero 10 today. Ordered it a few days ago. Just got released on the 16th by GoPro. So immediately I started getting it set up for motovlogging, and I decided to tear down my vlogging setup as far as the purple Panda microphone goes, and just rework it and make it look, more or less better. It's not perfect. It's not exactly how I want it, but I think I can figure it out. Make a little tweak here or there to get looking better. So I just wanted to, guys, show you what I got. So this is the new Hero 10. Still have the protectors on it because I'm waiting for my tempered glass ones to arrive from Amazon. But if you compare this to what I had before, you can see that it's a lot cleaner. I only have a single cable here, and I have the adapter with basically the mic itself. And actually, let me unplug it. It has three black lines, and the GoPro Media Mod requires one that has 2 black lines. I think this one's called TRS, and this one's called TRRS. So, basically, the mics, you can't just plug it straight in. You got to use this little adapter. Just plug it back in. So as a result, I had this bunch of wire here, as you saw in the other picture. I got it more or less secure now with just a rubber band. It's pretty, it's in a decent spot. But I do want to put like a black zip tie or something here, maybe 2 of them, to keep it from flopping around when I'm not riding with the GoPro. And also on the bottom here, I had a mess of wire right here, and I kind of had it tucked into the emergency strap, and that was also kind of a pain because occasionally the metal end here, this guy, would be sticking out like that, and it would poke me in the face as I'm putting my helmet on, or the little plastic like tie that I had keeping them together would poke me in the face. So it's kind of a pain in the butt putting my helmet on or taking it off. So I finally took out the liner, and I shoved all that extra wire, I don't know if you can see it, in there. Put the helmet on, doesn't impact my fit at all. So that's basically the setup now. I did do a quick test in my room. I didn't take it out for a ride, but I know some of the other mics, have issues with clicking or clipping, I guess is the term for it. But this one, Purple Panda, still works for the GoPro 10. So this is the GoPro 10 and the GoPro 10 Media Mod, because the 8 does not fit the 10. So this is a whole new setup, and otherwise it's the same microphone. Everything's the same. So you can see I'm recording it with the 8 right now, but no complaints. So we'll give it a test drive probably in a couple of days here. It's been raining for about a day and a half now here in Florida, so can't really take it out right now. But as soon as my protectors come in, I think on Thursday, today is Tuesday, I'll be taking it out for a spin and giving it a real life test drive. The other thing that this Media Mod has is this foam microphone cover. My existing one, if you can see it in the reflection right there in the corner, doesn't have one of those things. So obviously, if you're using a microphone inside your helmet, that's not a big deal, but for those of you who may, take the camera off and, walk around with it while you're, around a bike or something, having this on should muffle any kind of, extreme ambient noise, wind, etc. I don't know if I would ride with it though. We'll see how that goes, because I'm assuming if it rains a little bit, probably not good to have a sponge basically on the microphone and then having it, soak up rain and then feed it all into the media mod. So I'll probably take it off if it rains, but otherwise should be good to go. So just want to give you an update. You guys take it easy, keep it shiny set up.